Cannot sing. The only thing I can tell all of you is that when I was a young boy in school, then my own Bengali teacher, Sri Bimal Lundi, used to tell me stories of how he tried to run away from a big jail where he spent his student years, and how there was firing, how he was part of a group called the Bengal Volunteers Group, and how Netaji Subhash Bose came, and all those things. And I used to wonder what this bachelor young man is doing, telling us all these stories. Little did I know that there will come a day like today when I will be standing in front of that same building where he was jailed, along with his friends, tried to break the jail and run away, and among his friends were two people who were killed. He was part of the Dinesh Gupta's Bengal Volunteers. He was son of one of the biggest lawyers of Dhaka, who left his family and everything for the freedom struggle. And then, after the freedom struggle, spent the rest of his life teaching here. Later on, in this Midnapur district, he took a small kutia house, adopted an Anath girl child, and brought her up, got her married, etc., etc. So this is the life of one of those people who were part of these two people's groups who died in 1931. So I just wanted to share with you that it is not easy to become part of such a battle. I want to ask people who are parents here, fathers and mothers, how many of you would have allowed your children to become part of such movements? This is very important, and it is very important for us to remember this day, not merely because it occurred many, many years ago, not merely because we sing some patriotic songs, but because when the time of hardship comes, people rise, but they bring us comfort. When the time of comfort comes, people forget. And it is in this time, Kabirji used to say, Dukh mein sumiran sab kare, sukh mein kare na koi. Sukh mein sumiran jo kare, dukh kahe ko. So if we do not remember this, then when times of adversity comes, we will not be up to the mark. So I was saying that I will sing a song, and I cannot sing a song, but technology today allows us. This is the song my teacher used to sing for us. So this is the message that my teacher used to give me. I must tell you that all of us who are in this place are fortunate enough to be in a place which brings us these remembrances. There are people who live in places, maybe in the best places in the world, but do not remember. They live in comfort, but that comfort is not the real peace of life. So we are fortunate that we are here getting a day like this to remember. And many of you will not believe, that is what I was telling my friends, that I will tell you something that you will not believe. One day, I have so many students. So one day I was sleeping and I saw one of my students. You will not believe this story, but this is what happened. And he came in front of me in a trance-like dream. And I said, somehow I'm not, it doesn't look like you, who are you? So he said, Chinte parlen na sir. So suddenly his photograph changed a little. And I recognized that photograph. And he said, sir, ami abar ese gechi. And I lay stunned for some time because now I had recognized that past photograph and the current photograph. Because there is only few of that past photograph. But his face now appeared to me strikingly similar to that past photograph. And he said, sir, ami abar ese gechi ekই জায়গায়. And that past photograph was Khudiram Bose.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Professor Chakravarti. I'll just request everyone to stand up for the national anthem. Jana Gana
গাড়িতে নিয়ে আসে